Well, there it goes.
All right, so we'll hang this one underneath like we did the...
Yep. Working on it.
Perfect. I got this.
Grabbed a detamp pen too.
Pin it in place so it doesn't come out. Probably a good idea.
Well, that's how it gets installed.
That's true.
Where's that gun?
Right here. Line the forks up with each other.
Well, yeah, of course.
Perfect. This is a strange angle to put one of these pins in. So predictions for this? Stronger.
I'd say so.
Got to be stronger. Yep.
Go for 10.
10 bags?
Hopes of 12.
Jesus. All right. Let's do it. So Andrew thinks 10 bags. I think that is pretty optimistic, but we'll try it. I mean, for no reason should this chainsaw carrier ever need to take 600 pounds of force in this direction. Something's happening there.
There's 6.
That's moving. I don't know where it's moving. Well, the movement is mainly coming out of the tractor and not the carrier.
Well, there it goes.
It seemed like the back of that tractor was a little on the light side. I don't know if that was on camera, but I walked to the back of the tractor and grabbed the 3-point arm and just lifted it just a little bit, and it took over and just picked right up and off.
That was 8 bags.
So the chainsaw carrier can hold enough weight to tip over this tractor.
It's impressive.
It's ridiculous. Granted, the weight is way out here away from the tractor, and it's not back here at the pins, because that would be a significantly different conversation. But that's still crazy to me that it was used as an extension of a lever that picked the backside of the tractor off the ground. That's what's doing it for me, man. So do we stack it back up? And well, the tractor needs to be heavier to stack it back up.
Need a bigger machine.
So do we put this on a bigger machine and just push it? See how far we can go?
I think 8 bags is pretty impressive.
But did it break? Let's look at it. That still works fine. It's got a little bow to it. Just tiny though. I'm going to bring this closer. This is a production model, so this came out of a package. So there's one piece of 11 gauge in the back with 2 bends, the plastic liner, and then one piece of 14 gauge over the outside with 2 bends. And bolted to our 7 gauge quick attach plate. But it is starting to bow here where this hardware is. But it's not the scabbard itself bending. It's the center of the material flexing out. And that's only going to happen so far. Right? So I think we get a heavier machine that can handle more weight, and we just
try it again.
stack this thing up higher and higher and see where it fails. Maybe, what do we think about this direction? Think that'd be any better or worse?
I think it'd be comparable.
Maybe about the same?
I'd say so.
I think we might need to try that. All right, so we'll be back in a minute. We're going to swap around some machines, and we'll get something a little heavier to put behind this so we don't tip over this tractor. We'll be back.
Notice I grabbed a green one.
Did you grab a green one?
Yeah, I sure did.
Are you trying to talk some smack about John Deere owners?
It's
or
just the one I grabbed.
just the one you grabbed?
It was
Well, then why did you say, did you see I grabbed
just
a green
for
one?
the point of detail.
It's green.
How about a pin?
I'll take a pin. All right, so this time around, last forks, these forks. So now we have our old skid steer. And I don't think we're going to tip the skid steer over. I'm pretty confident in that. Same, we've got a little bit of up angle just to kind of help. Otherwise, the test would be over as soon as it bent just a little bit. Because if it just flexed a little and leaned over that whole tower. So, if we have to, maybe we can just jump in the machine and curl it back some more.
We'll see.
All right, so what was your prediction? Oh, shit. It's a partial bag, not full, not using it. Did you say 10?
Yeah, we're going to get 10.
That's absurd.
It's a nice even number.
It is a nice even number.
It's round.
You just don't want to do math on the spot again, huh?
No, it's no problem. Just numbers.
I don't know why I put my feet underneath that. You did set this entire pallet of concrete on my foot earlier.
I didn't feel a thing.
No, I bet you didn't. We're kind of leaning this way.
How's that? A butter?
Yes.
Is that
What are we
7?
up to? 7? Jeez, really? This is where the tower starts getting unstable.
9?
So this is testing the U-bolt to the max and the chainsaw carrier. Well, I guess it's testing our entire mount.
As a package, right?
Yeah, as a package. Where is the weakest link? Was that 9?
It's 9.
Listen, I'm gonna let you do the honors, number 10. It's giving way.
It is. Yep, it sure is.
And rocking that back and forth is... I don't know what to do here.
Well,
Is the carrier bending?
oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So I think we're
we're
at
there.
the failure point.
Yep.
Was 10 it?
Well, it held 9.
I held 9 without help. I think we do the same thing that we did with the fixed mount. We take it off, mount it on the top side, and do it again and see what happens.
Sure.
All right.
I got it.
Impact. Impact. For the record, you do not need a caging socket to put together these U-bolts normally. Or even now, it was just the socket that we... You didn't need to do that. You just slide it and flip it.
Look how much easier it was.
Go ahead. Wait.
Need to loosen that one up.
Nope. We're going to do this to get the U-bolt on the correct side for the load we're going to put on it, and then we'll change the carrier around.
It's the beauty of the ITC system.
This is true. This thread's nice and mangled. Okay. That still worked fine. Our bend all happened right below that plate, which makes sense. Let's try it this way. So if we learned anything with the last one, it'll bend back. But the question is, will it just keep bending? Or will it stop and take a little more weight?
We'll see.
I want to stand on it. I want to picture standing on it.
Should have taken a couple bags up there with you.
Beautiful. Got the picture. Hey, that bent back a lot. I could feel it.
Yeah, sure did.
That bag of concrete's about to rip. It's all right. Nothing we're going to do about it. Those bolts are going to poke a hole right in it.
Good chance of it.
You know, this is going to determine how much I weigh, because it's not going to bend anymore until it gets above my weight. That's pretty straight right there.
There's 6.
It might not be as strong in this direction.
Eight. Oh boy.
Should we go the other way now?
Looks like it.
So where the fixed mount was a little bit stronger in this direction, this probably isn't. Nope.
I think we're there.
I'm going to say we're there. Yep. So that's 8 bags?
That was 9.
9?
8. 9 made it go. Look at you, He-Man.
Oh, my hands were already on them. Not going to do it again.
Love you.
Well, that answers that. 8 bags.
8 bags.
9 bags one way, 8 bags the other way.